Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will walk you through the process of installing VLC Media Player on your Windows 11 operating system. But first, let's understand what VLC Media Player is. VLC is a versatile, free, and open-source media player software. It's portable, works across different platforms, and allows you to play both videos and audio on your Windows 11 operating system. Not only that, but VLC also offers features like video format conversion, such as video to audio, and much more. Now, let's dive into the installation process. First of all, you have to download the VLC Media Player. For this, you have to go on your browser. Currently, I am using Chrome, so I will open it. You can use any browser. Here I will type VLC Media Player and then press Enter. After getting the search results, you have to open the first website, which is videolan.org, the VLC Media Player's official website. After opening it, an interface like this will appear in front of you. You have to click on this drop-down button. VLC Player is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. So I am going to download it for Windows 64-bit. So I will just click on it. You can see the downloading process has started, but today my internet is very slow, so it will take some time. Let's fast forward this part. As you can see, our VLC Media Player has been downloaded. Let's start the installation process. Just double-click on it. Let's minimize this window first. You can choose the language for your VLC Media Player from here. You can choose any language you want. I will keep it as it is. Now I will click on OK. Then click on Next. Here is the VLC license agreement. You can read it and then click on Next. From here, you can choose components, but I will keep it as it is, and click on Next. From here, you can choose the install location. You can keep it as it is, but I am going to change it. I click on Browse and choose the install location I want. After choosing the install location, click on Install. As you can see, the installation process has been started. Now it is done. Make sure the Run VLC Media Player option is checked. Then click on Finish. As you can see, the VLC Media Player has been launched. Let's play any video on it. I will click on Media and then click on the Open file. From here, I will choose the video that I want to play. As you can see, my video is playing on it. So in this video, we learned how to install a VLC Media Player on the Windows 11 operating system. That's it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, just comment below. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.